Welcome back to the third segment in our four-part series, Fun with Planning Analytics Workspace. My name is Bill Primorano, the Worldwide Technical Sales Leader for Planning Analytics, and I'll be your tour guide as we explore creating a book. So in this segment, we're going to learn how to create a book in Planning Analytics Workspace. For this exercise, you've been asked to build a book to be used for revenue planning and to analyze performance. We will build a visually rich dashboard that includes charts, exploration, and a web sheet with all widgets synchronized by organization. So let's jump on over to Planning Analytics Workspace and let's create that book. So here I've got my Planning Analytics Workspace, and as you can see, I've already started the revenue plan, put in my header, but now we need to add those charts followed by the exploration and web sheet so that we can synchronize everything. And if you remember, in part one, we had worked with pins where I took that visualization of the column chart and saved it as a pin so that it can be used in other areas and other workbooks. So we're going to go with that same concept, and here is where I'm going to find the pins that I need for my revenue plan. So I'm going to simply take these pins and these charts and I'm going to add them to my workspace. And I'm going to put them right across the top here so that I have my visualizations going across the top of this book. Now that we've got our charts in place, the next thing I want to do is bring in an exploration for my revenue input template. So simply I'm going to go right here to my database tree, and here is my input view that I want to add. I'm going to go right here into properties, and the first thing I want to do is show the title, because we did say that we were going to add a title very similar to what we did in exercise 1. The next thing I want to do is synchronize. So I want to have this synchronized by channel, organization, version, and year. So now, as I take my organization selector and I move it right here up into this ribbon, as I make my selection by organization, you will now see that everything is synchronized and all of the visualizations and charts update with the selection. Now, the next piece of information that we need to bring in is the web sheet. So I'm just going to add that right here. So now I have my new product information, so I can add a new product entry to my revenue plan. I have my charts for analyzing my business. I have my revenue input template. I'm just going to save this book and make it now available to go in and start doing my revenue planning. I hope you found this segment informative. Please join me for our fourth and final segment, where we create a visualization inside a Planning Analytics Workspace book. For Planning Analytics, my name is Bill Primorano, the Worldwide Technical Sales Leader. Thank you for joining me.